Hi, this is Ken Lau. Now in this video, I'll share with you what is the idea of related in Power BI. Now, if you come to, we have two tables here. Now one is called product tables, and I will just copy it to another table here. That will be easier for you to refer. So, well, we have a bakery shop, and we set up that we're gonna buy some bun types. Okay, so we just change the name to bun. So we have all these buns here, this donut, and there is a cost per bun, and then there is revenue. So we make a red bean for 2 ringgit, and then we sell it for 3 ringgit 50 cents. So we make a profit of 1 ringgit and 50 cents. Right. So now let's look at order. Now we have a customer, and he has buy this red bean, and for 123 red beans. So how much cost is it for this? So what we can do is that we can go to the red bean here and look at that. Okay, cost is 2 ringgit, so you can just copy and paste it here. Okay, so 123, and that's 2 ringgit, so you know that. Now red bean again is just 2 ringgit, no problem, just put there. Oh, what's butter? Butter, you go to here and look at that. We go to this column here and look at, oh, butter, the cost is actually $1.20. So just put it here and put it here. Now, if you find yourself doing something like this, right, you're actually saying that you take this value here, donut, and go over here, you check this column. If it's a donut, you actually want to get the cost per bun. Okay, so the idea of this is that behind is a famous function called VLookup. Okay, so you click on this cell here, and then click on this cell here, and then you go to the bun type, and you just give the table. Okay, basically it's just table 1, it's a name, it's table. So then comma, you want it to return the third column, so by 2, and then there is a 0, and that's just false type, right? So then you get 2, and because the other table is already given a name called table, but let me just tell you that this table design, let me just change it to table buns. Okay, or I just call it products. Now go here, is the name is now changed to table products. So now I just need to double click, and it's all the value will be sent there. So do I call it that? It is called the cost lookup. Okay, so how do you do the similar things in Power BI? It's very similar, right? Except that it's much easier. It's called the related function. Let me just cross it. So first is that you need to have is the you need to establish a one-to-one, one-to-many relationship. Okay, so like earlier, a customer, each day, different customer buy different cookies. Okay, however, they can, for each transactions, for each line item, there's only one bun can be located. Okay, just like here, for each line item, there's only one product can be recorded. Okay, so but it can have many product, right? In the same day, it can be like this one. It can be many product recorded, okay, on the same day. So that is called the one to many relationship. So many buns, one cookie types. Okay, once you establish this relationship, you can move over to this table here and look at the. We will just want to go for the order table here. Okay, let me just delete. Let me do it. So you go over to the columns and then choose a new column. Columns to click the new columns. And right here, you type in the cost lookup, just like we named the table. So now we just need to go for related, and then it is related to what? Related to I just want to get it for the cost per bun. That's all, right? I want to get the value, the cost per bun for this product. Okay, and enter. Okay, and I want to do some. This is it's going to be a decimal number. Okay, these are all red beans, and oh, that is cool. Seems like there is a sorted. Let's just change it to sort it by sort this column. So it's not sorted yet, yeah. So there is some. This is a date. Is the date format, is date type correct, and so by going by this date. However, now it's sorted by products, so something is not there. This is new table. All right, you get the. I think you get the ideas of what is related, right? So you see that it's bun, it will be 2 ringgit, and if you scroll to the bottom, it's kaya, that will be $1, 1.50 ringgit, and this is just like what we just did for the VLookup. So related is VLookup. Is in Power BI we call it related. Thanks for watching. 1% improvement, you can do it.